If you're still buying overpriced, unreliable garbage on four wheels, you're trashing money every single month, and you don't even know it. Every day, you ignore this list. You're one breakdown away from a $4,000 repair bill, a missed work shift, and a tow truck eating what's left of your paycheck. People who don't know these trucks are getting absolutely destroyed financially. Trapped in dealership debt cycles, stuck on the side of the highway, and writing 5-star reviews for mechanics who never deserved a dime. Today, we are cutting through every bit of noise and handing you the 5 best used pickup trucks under $20,000 that simply refuse to die. These are machines backed by decades of real-world abuse, owner data, and reliability records that embarrass newer, flashier trucks costing 3 times as much. Let's get into it. Number 5. Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier is the most criminally ignored used truck in America, and buyers who kept walking past it on dealership lots paid for that ignorance with their wallets. It sits quietly in the shadow of popular alternatives, never getting the headlines, never trending on forums. Marcus, a contractor in Phoenix, was hunting for a used mid-size truck with a $14,000 budget. A salesman pointed him straight toward a higher mileage truck, priced at the very top of his range. Marcus stretched his budget, bought it, and immediately inherited a worn-out rear differential and a leaking valve cover gasket the previous owner had masked with a fresh detail job. Total repair bill in the first 6 months, $2,900. His co-worker had bought a 2009 Nissan Frontier King Cab for $11,500 the same week. Same mileage, same use case. 2 years later, not a single unplanned repair. Marcus's brand loyalty cost him nearly $3,000. The 2005 to 2012 Frontier's 4.0-liter V6 engine produces 261 horsepower and 281 pound-feet of torque, figures that actually edge out most other V6 of the same era, and Nissan's VQ family engine architecture has earned a reputation for exceptional longevity, with well-maintained examples routinely exceeding 250,000 miles without internal engine work. Paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission and an available Nissan-engineered part-time 4-wheel drive system, this truck delivers genuine off-road and towing capability. Budget between $8,500 and $16,000 for a clean, well-maintained example. Number 4. Ford F-150. Buyers hear Ford F-150 and immediately assume every generation is equally bulletproof. It is not. But the 2004 to 2008 generation with the 5.4-liter Triton V8, when properly maintained, is a different animal entirely. It is a workhorse that earned its reputation hauling, towing, and grinding through conditions that would chew up lesser trucks without blinking. Derek, a weekend rancher in Central Texas, bypassed this exact generation at auction because a buddy told him the 5.4 had spark plug issues. That's partially true. Early versions had a 2-piece spark plug that could break during removal. He instead bought a used full-size from a lesser brand and within a year faced a cracked engine block. The spark plug issue on the F-150? A known fix, easy to address during a routine tune-up for under $300 with the right mechanic. Derek's alternative cost him $7,200, and the truck still overheats in summer. His ignorance of a well-documented, easily solvable quirk torched thousands of dollars. The 5.4-liter Triton V8 in this generation produces 300 horsepower and 365 pound-feet of torque, giving it genuine towing capacity of up to 9,900 pounds when properly equipped. The engine block itself is a robust cast-iron design built to absorb punishment, and high-mileage examples with basic maintenance, oil changes, coolant flushes, and the spark plug fix. You can expect to find solid examples in the $9,000 to $17,000 range depending on trim, mileage, and region. The next 3 trucks on this list make entries 4 and 5 look like warm-up acts. One of them has an engine so overbuilt that Toyota used it to prove a point to the entire industry. Number 3. Toyota Tundra. This was a calculated statement. Toyota looked at the American full-size truck segment, dominated by Detroit iron for decades, and released something so over-engineered that it made the entire industry uncomfortable. And then buyers ignored it. Not because it was bad, but because it was a Toyota in a segment where Ford, Chevy, and Ram had dominated the cultural conversation for generations. James, a small business owner in Tennessee, was shopping for a used work truck in 2019. His buddy recommended the Tundra repeatedly. James waved it off. "It's a Japanese truck. It won't hold up to real American work." He bought a 2008 Ram 1500 instead. Over the next 3 years, a transmission replacement, 2 sets of ball joints, and a fuel pump. Total unplanned spend, over $6,500. The Tundra his buddy bought the same year? 0 major repairs. Still pulling a 16-foot trailer every weekend. James's pride cost him the equivalent of a solid down payment on a house. The 2007 to 2013 Tundra's 5.7-liter I-Force V8 is one of the most respected truck engines ever built, delivering 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque straight from the factory. It is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission engineered with wide gear spacing specifically to protect the drivetrain under load. Towing capacity reaches 10,400 pounds, and the double-walled truck bed, available in this generation, is a rare feature that adds genuine real-world durability most competitors simply didn't offer. You can find them between $13,000 and $19,500 for high-spec examples. For a full-size American footprint truck with Japanese reliability engineering, this is arguably the best value in the entire used market today. Number 2. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The GMT 800 generation Silverado is the most underrated used truck in America. While everyone debates Tacomas and Tundras, quietly, in driveways and job sites across the country, this generation of Silverado just keeps running. Millions of them sold, parts everywhere, mechanics who know them in every zip code, and a 5.3-liter LS-based V8 that has become legendary in the automotive world for reasons that go far beyond pickup trucks. Sandra, a property manager in rural Georgia, needed a used truck under $15,000 to manage her rental properties. A family member pointed her toward a clean 2003 Silverado with 130,000 miles. Sandra thought the mileage was too high and instead bought a newer, lower-mileage compact truck from a brand with a shakier reliability record. Within 14 months, a timing chain replacement and a failed transfer case. Over $4,100 out of pocket. The Silverado she passed on? The next buyer drove it for 4 more years and 60,000 additional miles without touching anything but oil and tires. Sandra's unfounded fear of mileage cost her dearly. The 5.3-liter Vortec V8, an LS family engine, produces 285 to 295 horsepower depending on model year and tune, with 325 pound-feet of torque, and is widely regarded as one of the most reliable naturally aspirated V8 engines ever put into a production vehicle. Its iron block construction, simple pushrod architecture, and minimal reliance on complex electronics mean there is very little to go wrong. The parts ecosystem is so vast that even major repairs are dramatically cheaper than comparable work on more modern turbocharged engines. With routine oil changes, this engine will reach 250,000 miles without hesitation. You can budget $7,500 to $16,000 for a well-maintained example. And now, the single most reliable used pickup truck you can buy for under $20,000 in America. This truck is so dependable that it has become the standard every other truck in this video is being compared against. Number 1. Toyota Tacoma. The second-generation Toyota Tacoma, produced from 2005 through 2015, is the single most bulletproof used pickup truck available in the American market for under $20,000. No other truck in this price range combines mechanical reliability, off-road capability, resale value retention, and sheer ownership satisfaction the way this generation Tacoma does. Millions of owners will tell you the same thing. This truck does not break. Tony, a landscaper in Northern California, was shopping for his first work truck with a $17,000 budget in 2016. A dealer steered him toward a newer half-ton with flashier features, higher horsepower numbers, and a lower sticker price. Tony bit. Within 2 years, a transmission solenoid failure, a cracked intake manifold, and an engine oil consumption issue. Total repairs, $5,600. His co-worker Miguel bought a 2011 Tacoma TRD the same month for $16,800. In the 6 years since, 1 set of brakes, 2 batteries, routine oil changes. That is it. Tony recently bought his second truck. It is a Tacoma. The second-generation Tacoma's 4.0-liter V6 engine produces 236 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque, and has been independently verified as one of the most thermally stable and mechanically durable truck engines in the segment, with documented examples surpassing 400,000 miles without internal engine work. Its 5-speed automatic transmission is conservatively tuned to reduce stress on internal components during towing and off-road use, and the fully boxed frame introduced in the 2005 redesign addressed the rust vulnerabilities of the previous generation while dramatically improving structural rigidity. Depending on trim and mileage, you can expect to pay $14,500 to $19,800 for a clean example. There you have it. 5 used pickup trucks under $20,000 that will not destroy your savings, strand you on the highway, or humiliate you at a job site. Every single one of these machines has proven itself over hundreds of thousands of miles through real American work in the hands of real owners, not lab tests, not sponsored reviews. Hit that like button if this saved you from making an expensive mistake. Subscribe if you want more no-fluff, real talk breakdowns.